In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete recovery email from Yahoo account. We'll walk through the exact path inside Yahoo so you can safely remove a recovery email you no longer use. Before we begin, a quick note. A recovery email is one of the ways Yahoo can verify it's you if you forget your password or get locked out. Deleting it is fine, just make sure you have another recovery method, like a different email or a phone number, set up so you don't lose access later. Start by opening your web browser and going to yahoo.com. On the home page, look to the upper right corner and select Sign In. Enter your account details and follow any on-screen prompts. You might be asked to verify with a code or approval. Go ahead and complete that and wait a moment for the sign-in to finish. Once you're signed in, move back to the upper right and click your profile picture or initial. From the menu, choose Manage Your Account. This opens your account settings. Here, find and select Security or Account Security. On the Security page, scroll down until you reach the section with your recovery options. You'll see entries for things like phone numbers and emails. Choose Additional Emails to open the list of recovery emails linked to your account. Locate the recovery email you want to remove. Next to it, select Delete or the trash icon. Yahoo will ask you to confirm, read the prompt, and proceed to confirm the deletion. For security, you may be asked again to verify your identity. This can include re-entering your password or approving a sign-in request. Follow the on-screen process until you see that the email is no longer listed. That's it. Your recovery email has been removed. Take a moment to double check the security page and make sure you still have at least one recovery option active. If you rely on only one method, consider adding a backup so you can always regain access to your account. If the interface looks slightly different, don't worry. Yahoo periodically updates the layout. Look for the same keywords: profile, manage your account, security, additional emails, and delete. The steps are the same even if buttons shift around. Finally, if you're using a shared or public computer, remember to sign out when you're done. As a quick recap, sign in at yahoo.com, open your profile menu, choose Manage Your Account, head to Security, open additional emails, and remove the address you no longer use. Keep at least one recovery method on file for safety.